If my lordship allows unlisted motion.
Huh?
If my lordship allows unlisted motion,
Unless it will be difficult.
it will be. And I may be allowed to make a mention court number one.
Mention.
Yes, I'll make
Court.
mention before court number.
Yes, yes, please.
Safely office.
Item number 1.
Well, this is
Yes.
very unfortunate to file this because the complainant seems
There is no FIR.
yes,
Date.
the complainant seems to be
Huh.
a habitual one. And this, my lord, in paragraph 1, I have written, this bail application has been filed on the strength of judgment rendered by the apex court in Gurbakh Singh Sebia versus State of Punjab 1980 to SC.
What is the provision there?
There, my lord, if the FIR is there, but formally it is not registered,
Yes.
then if there is a reasonable apprehension,
Huh.
then I can approach.
Where have you stated that there is a reasonable
Yes,
apprehension?
sir. Paragraph 1, my lord. Because after receiving the FIR, my lord, I have been called by police, my lord. I have been called after receiving the copy of the FIR.
But then, you see, a little difficult in the sense that the case has not yet been registered, not yet been registered under non-bailable offense. And then you have also lodged a counter complaint.
No, my lord, there is a judgment, my lord, that 1980. Para 37 and 38. Reasonable apprehension of being arrested, my lord, then can approach. There is no bar.
Can issue notice on just say by saying that no coercive action will be taken against him. But then in connection, we'll have to mention that in connection with
No,
this.
in connection with the FIR dated filed by so and so. There are another 2 more incidents involved with this victim. Complainant.
But then here probably the police is also no intention to arrest him. It appears. It appears because considering all those and then considering the nature of the complaint.
But in the event of arrest, after
No, in the event of because
in that case, my lord, what will happen is, my lord, I have also seen.
say that no coercive action. Would say, and an agent when he get because unless the case is registered, they will not act upon it. And then when it is registered, you come back. Will protect you.
I think that will have, but my lord will read paragraph 1.
No, I have seen paragraph.
Paragraph 1.
Paragraph 1.
Yes, only paragraph 1 is my case. Normally, my lord, this application, lane 1. This application under 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 by the applicant pursuant to the FIR dated 23/6/2024 before officer in charge of women police and lodged by one so and so, alleging inter alia that the applicant had so and so with the complainant with the pretext of false promise to marry. Although a formal FIR has not been registered by Women Police Station in Tanagar until filing of this anticipatory bail application, however, the applicant reasonably believe that police might arrest the applicant as officer in charge WPS and contacted the applicant to appear over phone on 26/6/2024. Hence, this application under Section 438 of Criminal will file without a copy of the formal FIR and case number and section invoked in terms of law laid by Honorable Apex Court in the case of Gurbakh Singh Sebia versus State of Punjab reported in 1982 SSC 56, subsequently followed in Susila Agarwal and so and so. Yes. My lord will see why my lord, the reasonable apprehension is, my lord, kindly see page 19. That is the FIR, my lord.
Because thereafter subsequently after lodging
My lord, then
this FIR.
yes.
No. So prior to that also legal notice was issued.
Yes, I cannot.
So-
I want to draw my lord's inference on page 18, my lord. Only 3 paragraph, my lord. A small paragraph is there. Why, my lord?
No, this is notice.
No, my lord. That's why the intention of this complainant, that because of your so and so upon her and on account of your negligent act of not even providing medical care, She is under immense emotional, mental, physical trauma. 3. That my client, in consideration of her reputation, she has not yet approached any state agencies for seeking remedy, but you are taking advantage of her. Now, these 2 pages are very important. Next 2 pages. That the act committed by you as stated by my client is grave offense, and you are liable to be prosecuted for the offense of repetitive so-and-so, outraging so-and-so, so-and-so, and misuse of your official capacity. It is obligatory on your part to bear expenses of her medical expenses for her ill health, which is the result of your so-and-so. The first intention, my lord. The second, C. Therefore, under facts and circumstances stated as above, you are hereby called upon to settle the issue with her. Kindly see, my lord. To settle the issue with her, to compensate her fairly for medical expenses of her ill health within a period of 20 days from the date of receipt of this legal notice. Now finally, this is advocate word. Kindly see, then because of this, I have lodged a counter complaint, a file that I will not read. Kindly see page 23. In one matter, it seems I appeared. And she has that habit, Here, the poor fellow was put into jail, and then bail was granted by order dated 3/3/2020, in bail.
So, Mr. Tara,
My lord.
so what we'll do is, because this case,
Yes, my lord.
probably knowing the nature of the case,
Correct.
the
correct.
case was not registered deliberately. it appears.
Appears to you, Lord. Appears
So
to be.
what we'll do, as I said,
No course.
no coercive, and in the meantime, agent, when you find that the case has been registered,
With
immediately
open,
come.
my lord, with open liberty,
Yes,
with open
yes,
liberty.
that will do for
Yes.
the moment.
Correct, correct,
Okay.
correct. correct.
Mr. Tara, you have anything to say?
As Lordship has rightly pointed out that no FIR has been registered, Lordship. So there is no apprehension will not be there, Lordship. Because Lordship, only this complaint is lodged, Lordship. So Lordship, if in the meantime, Lordship, if anything, Lordship,
It's all the same. It's all the same. No coercive. It's all
No,
the same.
All this.
But once it is registered, then the regular order will be passed to that effect.
Correct, madam, correct.
Okay. Mr. T. Daralani, counsel for the petitioner. So I've also heard Ms. L. Hage, Lanet additional PP, the public prosecutor, state of AP staff. This is an application, the accused petitioner, so not accused, this is an application under Code 38 of the Criminal Procedure Code
Please.
1973. Praying for grant of pre-arrest bail. No, filed by the petitioner, praying for grant of pre-arrest bail, apprehending his arrest in connection with the FIR lodged by one Miss Tabayajina on 23/6/2024. Stop. The case has not yet been registered.
My lord, before that, if my lord allow me, before the president, one sentence may be added. The applicant, on receipt of the FIR, the applicant was called by the officer in charge to
It
record.
was
us.
called.
Yeah, I was called. my lord. That's why I apprehended.
Okay. It is submitted that after receipt of the above FIR, the applicant was called, where have you stated, para 1?
Para 1, my lord. Subsequent also.
Was called by the IO of the case.
Hmm.
So it was endorsed to IO also, already endorsed.
Already endorsed, my lord.
The IO of the case.
Para 3, my lord, I have written clearly. Applicant came to know about the frivolous FIR dated 23/7, though through a social media lodged by that applicant had committed rape, so and so. The officer in charge of WPS Itanagar contacted the applicant over phone and asked the applicant to appear before her to record her statement.
Okay, call the applicant. IO of the case, call the applicant on 23,
26, my lord.
26.
26.
Where do we find?
Para 1, my lord, that is para 2.
There are two.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Uh,
5 line.
contact, no?
5 line.
Okay. Yes, IO of the case. Okay, but then you did not appear.
No, because I am
Okay.
apprehending.
Contacted, IO of the case contacted the applicant to appear. Contacted the applicant through telephonic call to appear before her. It is big, hence the petitioner apprehend his arrest in connection with the above FIR. However, since the case has not yet been registered under any non-bailable offense till date, stop. So you obtain instruction,
No, sir.
so the case has been registered, not, or what is the progress?
No, sir.
Okay, call for CD, we'll call for CD, okay, start. Returnable by,
Only after 16.
no, 3 weeks.
Three.
No. 3 weeks, start. Para. In the just a minute. In the meantime, till returnable date, no coercive action shall be taken against the applicant, Mr. Applicant Arun Defoe. No? In connection with the FIR dated 23/6/2024. It's all the same.
Yeah, but,
No?
liberty may be given, my lord,
Hmm.
in the event of registration of a FIR.
The petitioner is also at liberty to file it's a registered document.
Yes. Liberty is granted to the applicant to approach this court in the event of
Okay, in the event of the case being registered.
case being
Okay,
registered.
liberty is, the petitioner is at liberty to approach this court in the event of the case being registered under non-bailable offense, for commission of non-bailable offense. Okay.
Till 3 weeks, they cannot touch me now.
Yes, yes.
Grateful to that. This cost list has come a while ago only, my lord.
Yes,
I
because
don't think the councils will appear, my lord. If there is, I don't know, my lord will check up. If there is any interim order, this may be continued at least after 2 weeks, my lord, including item 2.
okay. Just a minute,
Nobody knows, my lord. Just I received when I walked in.
No, it's in the morning only.
Yes, yes. I'm also in hurry because I have
You
to
are for the
prepare.
petitioner here.
No, my lord, I am not there. This item 2, I am there for the respondent.
No, item 2,
Item 2, I am for the respondent.
or respondent.
Yes.
Okay, none appears on behalf of the petitioner. Mr. T.T. Taradani, counsel for the respondent, is present. Where the office note is open there?
My lord, I stands corrected by myself. Item number 2, my lord, is G Tadi.
Is
G
state
30.
versus,
I don't know with LCR. My lord, only see if there is any stay order. Otherwise, At least this matter, intend to continue in this matters and then.
No stay, probably. No stay order.
Well, without any remark, my lord will pass. List this after 3 weeks. That order can be found.
In view, in absence of the petitioner, the case stands adjourned. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay. Item number 3.
3 is mine, my lord.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Parme is not there. PP is there.
Affidavit not yet filed.
Yes,
So,
after 2 weeks. After 3
okay.
weeks.
You're for?
I am for the private respondent.
Okay. No one appears on behalf of.
Lordship, I'm
Oh,
for
you're
the
for the
petitioner.
petitioner. You're
Yes,
Mr.
P. Sring. I'm
Mr.
appearing on behalf of L. Parme.
Okay, Mr. P. Jini
L. Parme.
appears on behalf of Mr. L. Parmedana counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship, there is also an interim in this
Interim, okay,
petition
sir.
that may
Mr.
be
P.
continued, my lord.
Mr.
I
T.
think-
Taralana counsel for the respondent is also present.
What is it?
Who have to file this affidavit? Affidavit,
My lord, I forgot actually, like, I have
Okay.
not seen the brief.
okay. The respondent number,
Private respondent has to
seven.
file lordship.
okay,
I have
227,
Private respondent to file
are
affidavit
yet to
opposition.
file their affidavits.
To file.
In view of the above, list this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obligation.
Item number 4.
My place, my lord. My lord, I have also the same prayer, my lord, since I have received short
Okay.
while ago the cost list. So this may be listed after my lord 3 weeks.
Okay, you are for Mr. Modi?
I am for appellant, man.
Okay, Mr. Modi, Lorry counsel for appellant is present. Stop. The still report is still, yet, still awaited. Please spread list this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
All right.
Five.
Okay.
Okay.
My lord, I'm for the petitioner.
Okay.
This case is just listed a while ago.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And respondent number
You are
2
for
is
the
sir.
petitioner.
Yes,
You are Mr.
Tipahi
Lorry counsel for the petitioner is
on
present.
behalf of Tabatopu.
Okay. Lorry counsel appear on behalf of Mr. T. Tapu, Lorry counsel for the petitioner.
My
In the
lord,
earlier case, probably he was. He prays for continuation of the. Interim, probably in the earlier case. Item 4, I think there was a. Interim, three.
my lord, matter may list after 3 weeks.
Okay. Okay, then is prayed for by the land council for the party. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged.
Item number 6.
Yeah, lordship, petitioner to file IA lordship in this matter.
Additional affidavit. IA for.
Yes, for lordship, yes, they have some document they have to be lordship, attached lordship. It is, I think it is filed lordship, it is received on 2/5 lordship. They have already filed lordship. They have already filed on 2nd of May lordship. It is
IA.
lordship.
IA is for.
Lordship, I for lordship for additional affidavit lordship,
Oh, this is the additional affidavit.
lordship,
Have you received the copy?
lordship. I have already received some.
Okay. Miss L. Hage, Lana additional PP, submits that she has received the additional affidavit filed by
Additional
the
confirmation.
petitioner and prays for some time to go through the same stuff. Prayer allowed. This is matter after 3 weeks.
Yes.
Okay.
Obliged to see. Lordship here, lordship, Elshire was called lordship, it is already received. Interim is already there, lordship, so this may be listed after 2 weeks because
Okay.
counsel of the petitioner is not.
Hmm. Okay. Miss Milhage, Lana counsel for the, sorry, Lana additional TP for the state submits that the LC, she has received the LCR. Staff, huh? This is. In absence of the land council for the petitioner, the matter stand adjourned. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay,
Interim is there, lordship already.
stop. The interim order pass earlier shall continue till the next day. Okay.
Obliged to see.
Okay.